Hey everybody, welcome back to Corey's Kitchen. Today we're making vitamin C serum. I'm going to be using a spray bottle to put the full recipe into. This spray bottle is 100 milliliters, so the size of this recipe actually fits perfectly into this. Our first ingredient is going to be aloe vera. Now this aloe vera I get from Poroleo, and I love their products. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of the aloe vera. Our next ingredient is going to be the L-Ascorbic acid. This is the vitamin C. Now I ordered this online from The Ordinary, and I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin C for the aloe vera gel. So I don't know if you can see, but it's starting to liquefy so that the aloe vera is no longer a gel. It's kind of more of a water. Now the benefits, I like using aloe vera, but if you have an allergy or you prefer not to use aloe vera, just use distilled water and it would be the same amount. So 3 tablespoons of distilled water, or 60 milliliters. So the benefits of the aloe vera is it's soothing, it repairs your skin, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, speeds up collagen production, which is huge for the vitamin C serum. This is going to be used on our face, so it moisturizes the skin. It's a humectant, so it draws the moisture and holds it. It's anti-aging, has vitamin A, C, and E. It's just, I prefer to use the aloe vera, but like I said, if you need to use something different, just use distilled water. The vitamin C helps with fine lines, wrinkles, skin discoloration, brightness, that natural glow that you get in skin. So now that we've got our aloe vera and our L-Ascorbic acid, which is our vitamin C, we're going to be adding our vitamin E oil. Now our vitamin E, I have it in liquid form. You can buy it in tablet form. So you want to add about 30 drops. So it works out to about 3 milliliters. Our next addition is going to be our Resveratrol. So I've ordered this from The Ordinary. And we're going to, again, do about 30 drops, the same amount as our vitamin E. Next up is our vegetable glycerin. So for the vegetable glycerin, we're going to be adding 1.5 tablespoons. And our final ingredient is going to be sweet orange oil. I use the sweet orange oil. I love the smell of it. It's refreshing. I enjoy it on my face. So for this, we're going to put about 15 drops of the sweet orange oil. You could use whatever oil you prefer. And then we're going to just mix it up. This vitamin C serum is going to have a watery consistency to it, and it's going to be nice. That's why I prefer this one in a spray bottle. So I know, before I make everybody cringe, my spray bottle is clear plastic. It should be tinted. I just don't have anything that's tinted right now. So what I can do with this is store it in the refrigerator. What you want to do is just keep your vitamin C serum out of the sun. That's the most important thing. So with mine, I like to keep mine in the bathroom because I use it in the evening and I use it in the morning. And I just wrap it with tin foil because these are the bottles that I have. But if you do have something with dark colored amber black glass, I would definitely suggest you use that. And there we have it. So our vitamin C serum, just make sure that you shake it up, spray it on your face and your neck, gently massage it in, allow it to dry, put your sunscreen on, your makeup on, additional moisturizers, whatever you choose. You may find that you don't need anything else. Any other additional moisturizers, just your vitamin C serum and then your sunscreen. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for joining me on my channel.